एकेडमी सहयोग को बढ़ावा देने और शिक्षक परिदृश्य को समृद्ध करने की दिशा में एक ऐतिहासिक कदम उठाया। जेट किंग इन्फोट्रेन लिमिटेड ने एफपीटी विश्वविद्यालय वियतनाम के साथ अपने रणनीतिक सहयोग की घोषणा की है। यह साझेदारी एक गतिशील और विश्व स्तर पर जुड़े शिक्षण वातावरण बनाने की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम है। जेट किंग और एफपीटी यूनिवर्सिटी ने एक दीर्घकालीन और प्रतिष्ठित शिक्षा ब्रांड बनाने के लिए 2011 से सहयोग करना शुरू कर दिया था। यह क्षण जेट किंग और एफपीटी की उपस्थिति का प्रतीक था। समुदाय के कई वर्षों के अनुभव और विश्वास के साथ जेट किंग और एफपीटी लगातार प्रशिक्षण की गुणवत्ता में सुधार करता आ रहा है, खासकर साइबर सुरक्षा और क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के क्षेत्र में। और अब जेट किंग और एफपीटी एक संभावित क्षेत्र की ओर आगे बढ़ रहा है। सेमी कंट्रैक्ट चिप डिजाइनर सेमी कंट्रैक्ट उद्योग की अनकही क्षमता।
Vietnam and India, two countries, we have a lot of similarity in culture and in the IT industry development. Many companies in India inspire Vietnamese people a lot, from Tata, Infosys, Uptech, Jetkin, and a lot. And now with new technology trend, semiconductor, Vietnam once again will follow success story of India. Of course, in Vietnam now, especially in university, we have chip design and semiconductor related courses, but the number of students is very small. And to develop the new industry, the semiconductor industry, we need a large number of students to place into the industry. And that's why we collaborate with Jetting. Jetting has a good curriculum, cutting edge technology and industry relevant. It's very important. And with collaboration with Jetting, we are sure that we can provide a large number for the labor market, and I think it's the most value that we can provide for Vietnam country and semiconductor development in general in Vietnam. It's one of the largest IT company in Vietnam. Right now we have 70,000 staff, and the FPT company include many sub company in education, in software development, in telecom. Very recently, our FPT software company reached $1 billion revenue milestone.
एफपीटी के पास किस तरह के ट्रेनर हैं, मैं ये सवाल जानना चाहता हूँ।
What kind of trainers is FPT?
FPT education. FPT company has been established 35 years ago, 36 now 36, in 1988, and FPT education now 25 years old, from 1999. Now we have around 160,000 students from first grade to postgraduate.
Standards. So they have to have a certain kind of resume, they have to have a certain kind of qualification, they have to go through a certain test, they have to be certified in curriculum. What also needs to happen is they have to, they spend 3 to 4 months preparing. It's called FCT, Faculty Competency Test. They have to go through that. Once they go through that and go through our senior curriculum delivery head, once he approves, then only he becomes a trainer.
ये कितने साल का कोर्स है?
This is in Vietnam, it's for 2 years, which is going to be similar. It's for 2 years only. Yes.
In India?
Yes.
India
2 years. Yes. We are launching this course together, right? We will market this course together. This is the first time in the world that has happened that 2 courses are going to be launched at the same time. We will have a similar program, similar delivery mechanism, and we'll make sure that the students are getting jobs after 2 years in a similar manner.
ये डिग्री कोर्सेज के लिए भी होगा? या डिप्लोमा?
No, as of now, this is just focused as it's called higher diploma in chip design.